With the 60 feet, Absolute has introduced a renewed fly range. It is a hybrid renewal representing a synthesis between the Fly and Navetta designs. And there's space, space and more space. The yard's mission is always the same, and it pursues it with determination. The design is entirely by the yard's technical department. How did they manage to increase the volumes again? By moving the deck house forward, the saloon has increased its space, whilst the windows and opening hatches have ensured continuity with the outside. The cockpit is very large, a true terrace overlooking the sea and the large stern beach. The design does not simply focus on gaining centimeters for onboard comfort, but also on optimizing space and fittings. A good example is the sleeping area below deck. The owner's cabin is located forward rather than amidships. Away from the engine room, the only noise you hear when sailing is that of the wake wave coming from the bow of the hull. Keeping a distance from the engine room is an advantage not only when sailing, but also when you are stationary in the roadstead or in port, since between generators and stabilizers there could easily be systems running that could disturb the owner. In addition, the bed has been placed with the head at the entrance facing forward, rather than the other way round as usually done. A solution that offers greater privacy and allows you to enjoy the view of the outside through the large hull windows. There are 3 other cabins, 2 for guests, both with private bathrooms and separate shower cubicles, and the last one for the sailor, which is accessed from the stern platform. Next door is the engine room, where the 2 Volvo Penta IPS 950s are fitted with 7 25 horsepower D11s engines. Handling with the pods is not in question, and in fact, Absolute 60 Fly turns without any problem, even at high speeds. She also performs well in the waves, thanks to the V-shaped bow and the boat's overall displacement. At maximum speed, the 60 feet is reaching 30 knots as the GPS stopped at 29.8. Consumption is always low, ranging from 142 liters per hour for both engines at minimum planning to 285 liters at maximum. In terms of green consumption, this model is the first from the yard to have solar panels on the hardtop to provide 1.5 kilowatts of power. In practice, with the exception of the air conditioning, all other onboard consumers can be powered without keeping the engines or generator running.